Welcome again to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about get my permission in Jira through REST API. We'll extract here permission related information in Jira through REST API. When we talk about the permission, this is a resource represent permission. It uses to obtain details of all permissions and determine whether the user has certain permission or not. So if you want to learn about how to extract permission related information in Jira through REST API, then please watch complete video. And if you have not yet subscribed the channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon. So whenever I will upload any new video, you will be notified. So without wasting time, let's directly jump to the get my permissions. So here we are going to use get method. This is the path where we will get the information post that we have to configure their parameters. So it will returns a list of permission indicating which permission the user has. Details of the user permission can be obtained in a global project or issue context. The user is reported as having a project permission in the global context if the user has a project permission in any project for project where the project permission is determined using issue data. This means that user may be shown as having a issue permission such as edit issues in the global context or project context but may not have the permission of any or all issues. For example, if recruiter have the edit issue permissions, a user would shown as having this permission in the global context. Let's see how we will get this detail through Postman. Here we are going to use get method where I am going to configure domain name and their path. Post that we have to write my permissions and then question mark we have to add the parameter as well. So parameter I'm going to use here as a permissions browse project, then space edit issues. Now when I will click on send, it will give me a complete detail about the permissions. You can see here browse projects and then detail about so its ability to browse projects and the issue within them. Edit issue is basically project ability to edit their issues. You can see here similar type of response is also generated here. So when we talk about get all permissions, so for getting all permissions, simply we have to write here as a method only permission. So this will give us the complete permission detail. So you can see here, whatever permission I'm having is complete permission detail will be available here. So this is how we can get the complete permission as well as the my permission related information. You can see complete permission like add comment inside the project, then add master project, then assignable user, assign issues, browse projects. These all permissions are having in Jira Cloud. So that's all about how to get my permission detail in Jira through REST API. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really think this will be useful for other user, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.